King Salman of Saudi Arabia issues new economic initiatives to support private sector. Saudi Arabia's King Salman bin Abdulaziz issued a new order approving a package of economic initiatives to support the private sector during the coronavirus pandemic, Saudi Press Agency SPA reported. The stimulus package would include exemptions, relief measures, and accelerating payments of dues, according to SPA. For latest updates, subscribe News 786, like and share the video. The new initiative comes as an extension to King Salman's royal order to disburse 9 billion riyals, that is $2.4 billion, to pay part of the wages of private sector employees to deter companies from laying off their staff, which was issued earlier this month, according to SPA. The kingdom has also previously launched a 120 billion riyal, that is $31.9 billion stimulus package, as well as other initiatives to mitigate the effect of the coronavirus on the economy. Saudi Arabia has reported 5,369 confirmed cases of the coronavirus and 73 virus-related deaths so far. Reuters on Friday reported Saudi Arabia's King Salman has ordered up to 9 billion riyals to be disbursed to pay part of the wages of private sector workers to deter companies. The latest measures to tackle the fallout from the coronavirus outbreak followed an emergency stimulus package announced last month to shore up the economy. Instead of terminating the employment of citizens, the employer has the right to ask social insurance to disburse as compensation 60% of his salary over a period of 3 months, with a maximum limit of 9,000 riyals per employee and with a total value of up to 9 billion riyals, the SP reported, citing a royal order. The stimulus announced last month by Finance Minister Mohammed Al-Jadaan included 70 billion riyals to be set aside to help businesses with measures including exemptions and postponements of some government fees and taxes. The Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, the central bank, urged leaders to re-evaluate interest rates on credit cards and return foreign exchange transfer fees for travel-related bookings. Saudi Arabia has recorded 154 new infections since Thursday, bringing the total number to 2,039 and 25 deaths, the health minister said on Friday.